Tell me what you do on a Sunday.
Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I like to contour my nose with just bronzer. Let's begin. So grab your bronzer of choice and a brush similar to this one. It's not very fluffy, it's not very flat, and create a little shadow under the nose. Pay attention, you don't want to go crazy with the product, so a light hand is very much needed. Next I'm going to create two straight lines, not exactly on the bridge of my nose, but more slightly on the sides of the bridge of my nose, like I'm doing right here. Build up the product if you feel like so, and make sure you connect those lines with your eyebrows. I know, don't be shy. Drag those lines up into your eyebrows, light hand only. That will create that beautiful natural flow we all want. Slightly above of the tip of my nose, I'm going to connect those two lines, and that's how you create that button cute nose effect. So cute. Next we're going to buff those lines out because we don't want any harsh lines. So I'm using my sponge to do so. You can totally use the brush. And next I'm going to go with some highlight to enhance the work we just did. We all know highlight makes everything look better. Not textured skin. If you have that, stay away from highlight. So I'm using a very small detail brush to apply highlight on the tip of my nose. Then I'm going to buff that with my finger because it looked intense. And next I'm going to apply that right in the center of those two lines we just created, like on the bridge of the nose. Buff that out. Next I'm going to apply some setting spray. This is a very essential step because it will melt all the powders together and it will make this look so beautiful, so natural. Anyway, so there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. Bye.